Hey, OJ here. It's cooking time. Well, today we're going to make some homemade baked beans. I know I've watched some videos and seen some recipes out there where they're making homemade baked beans, but they put canned baked beans in there. No, that's not homemade baked beans. We're making homemade baked beans. Anyways, I'm going to show you what we got here. We have some northern beans. We put one package of them and we had them soaking overnight. We've got some bacon crumbles, onions, pineapple, brown sugar, salt and pepper, some water. We're going to try some pineapple juice in it this time. So this is a new experiment. We'll let you know what it's like when it's done. Some ketchup, some liquid smoke, of course, Sweet Baby Ray's, mustard, molasses, and most of all, stay hydrated. So we're going to give you the amounts as we start putting them in the pot. Okay, here we go. Got everything here. We're going to start adding stuff in. I've got my handy dandy little recipe here. So first we're going to put the baked beans in. This recipe here and the request for baked beans are from my brothers. They wanted me to make some baked beans. They're wondering when's the next time I make baked beans. So here we go. We're making baked beans, Donald. So we got onions in there. We got medium onion. Now we got a pound of bacon here. And I've got 2 cups of water. And I've got some half a cup of crushed pineapple. And also going to put half a cup of pineapple juice. And half a cup of brown sugar. And half a cup of molasses. This might take a while. Slower than molasses. January, but no. There we go. We'll just leave that on the side there and let it. Also half a cup of ketchup, so I guess we're not going to let it drain out very long. Commingle here. My mom used to make awesome baked beans. Well, Deb makes awesome beans too. But way back when we used to make baked beans, Mom used to use a pork hock and well, they're to die for, you know. But Mom used to drain the water off the beans. She said us boys stunk too bad. So anyways, we need 3 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. I can't imagine myself stinking like that, but and there we go, 3 of them. So we've got need a little bit of mustard in here. We need 1 tablespoon of mustard. Or teaspoon, I should say. Made a little boo-boo there. It's supposed to be 1 tablespoon, so we'll put 2 teaspoons in here, which makes a tablespoon. Yeah, let's clean that out there. Now we need liquid smoke, and we need Oh, one of these. And make sure, hydrate. And salt and pepper. We're just going to, that must be a teaspoon. And pepper. Depends on how much you like pepper. We're going to make it black. No. There we go. That's everything in. We'll give her a stir up here now. And then I have to smell this all afternoon. Takes about 6 hours thereabouts. So yeah, we might be having a little bit of a late supper, but that's alright too. Be a little bit of a blue cloud over top of the OJ's house tonight. But anyways, okay, we've got her all mixed up here, but you know, I love my barbecue sauce, and I think it just needs a little bit more barbecue sauce. So we'll probably double what the barbecue sauce in our recipe says. And we're going to cook this on high because I don't have a medium setting. And we'll check it a little later and see how it's doing. Okay, got everything mixed up in here. Now we're going to start cooking these babies up. And after a while we'll check them to make sure we have enough moisture and whatnot in there. And maybe taste a little bit, make sure everything's perfect. Anyways, this is for Bob, Donnie, and Donald. Anyways, here we go. Well, we're back. It's been about 6.5 hours. We've taken some out, put some in a bowl here to cool off. But you should be in my house. It smells amazing. Anyways, we'll be back in a minute and we'll do a little taste test. Well, here we are for the favorite part. The best part I like to do the most is the taste test. You don't know how hard all afternoon smelling this cooking in my house. Oh, it smells amazing in here. So here we go. I was wondering if this recipe was going to be a keeper. It's definitely a keeper. Well, it's to die for, but it's simply amazing. Yep. There's nothing like homemade baked beans. Not out of a can, just baked beans. If I was sitting, I'd probably be dancing. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll put the recipe in the description below, and I hope you try it because it's good. Bye for now.